Hey, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We're going to do a quick video tutorial. I'm at the gathering place, and this particular home has a Sharp television in the living room. Now, there happens to be a remote control for the Panasonic theater sound system, for the Samsung DVD player, and the DirecTV. However, there is not a remote control for the television itself. And so what we're going to have to do is make sure that I kind of show you what to do. This is the Panasonic sound system. It goes with this sound bar. And over here you have the DirecTV. And then this down here at the very bottom, it's difficult to see, is the DVD player. Now, what we're going to do is show you kind of on the side right here, you have the power button that'll actually activate the television, turn it on. Then you have the input buttons right down in here. And so using the input button, I should just go ahead and go through it. So the input 7 is for the DVD player. Input 8's nothing. USB, input 4, input 5, and input 6 is DirecTV. And so that'll allow you to get to the cable. So it's fairly straightforward. It's kind of inconvenient not having the actual remote, but someone unfortunately took it, and we've not been able to find a replacement for it. And some of the other universal remotes don't seem to work, so we haven't had a solution, but that does work. And so it's fairly straightforward, fairly easy to do. So the volume control definitely works using the DirecTV control. And you have the ability to change the channels, go through. So if you have any further questions on how to operate the TV in the living room at the gathering place, you can go ahead and give me a call. That's Joe Hill. 208-634-0030 is the landline number. Cheers.